Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Baxter's Blades. Today's video is a little bit different. It was the annual Vashon vintage motorcycle gathering up here in the Seattle area. We all go out to Vashon Island, hundreds of vintage motorcycles, and do a ride. The weather was beautiful. Today I carried a Case 75 carbon steel natural smooth bone Stars and Stripes Stockman, and this little swell center jack. Great day. Let's show you just a few of the bikes that were out there. Come along for the ride.
Because you know they live their life and I live mine. Yeah. It seems like we cross. Let's figure out how to get to the dock.
Oh, gorgeous 350.
Thanks, bud. Having a little carb trouble today, but you know.
With a bolt in his tire.
When he shows up, you'll know, oh, there he is. That's why he spent more time with Lou last night than I ever have. That is
fuel injected self-learning kits on there. Yep, we got that stuff down now. You put fuel injecting on things, take like a whole. Yeah. So there's not much in it.
Does this primary chain seem tight to you? Stick your finger in there and it's hot, so kind of wiggle it up and down. Does that seem tight?
Yeah. Otherwise, I'd say we can take it over there. Yeah. I got my bike over there.
Hey Jim, how heavy is your bike? How heavy is your bike?
350 pounds. No, I don't think it's yeah, closer to 4. So anyway, I think we can.
It's not a bad. No. For the price that each helmet's sarcasm. Why are you laughing?
Because I thought he said that's not a good helmet at all.
No.
Because heel, your boat was straight down, right into the heel. That's your straight down. You fucking try to go over here, and now your vector's off. What's your vector, Victor? Yeah.
Man, how you guys came out? I had no idea.
Yeah, no,